Last week I picked up this Stanley 702. This on the back has made in England. I do believe there was some made in America as well. So I didn't particularly need this, but you know, for the price of £8 I thought it was a bit of a steal, so I did decide to get it. So the issue I've got with it, and hopefully you can see this on the camera, is that the previous owner, or some previous owner, has actually over tightened the vise with something, I don't know what, and they've actually got one of the jaws out of square. So this one that I'm pointing to here is actually leaning out this way. So the aim of this video is for me to try and get this out and show you how I do it, which I'm hoping to do with an adjustable spanner. Put some jaws onto it, just some plywood in our jaws. Nothing special, just a quick video, see if I can get this done, because I'm pretty sure this has probably happened to somebody else as well. And I think the reason is because these are aluminium and they're not steel. At least this one's aluminium. The idea is that I am going to use this shifting spanner to try and manipulate this back into its original shape. So I don't know how well this is going to work, but we shall find out. I have actually minimised that gap, but there is still some bending on it. It's still not 100%. I would like it to be a little bit further, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put something in the vise, clamp it up, and then try and over pull it, if that makes sense. That didn't really work. I'm going to try a clamp now, see if I can get it over any more. So I think this is just going to spring straight back. Yeah. So I think I'm going to have to put something in the vise and then try and clamp that over. I've got a drill piece in here, and see if I can manipulate this over. So yeah, I've just broke the I just broke the clamp. So now I'm going to have another try with the shifting spanner, or the adjustable spanner. It does seem like it's moved a little bit there, which is good. I think I'm going to have another go with the spanner. See how that is. Oh, Christ. As you can see, I've been quite fortunate and I've been able to minimise that gap quite a lot, so I think this is about as good as I'm going to get it, and I am happy with that, to be honest. So I'm going to make some plywood sacrificial jaws, if you will, inner jaws, and give this a whirl. I've got these cut and I'm going to screw these in. So I think these should have been bolted in. I think traditionally they are bolted in with a short, a skinny little bolt. I haven't got anything like that here. So I'm going to put screws in it for the meantime, see how they hold up, and then maybe in the future, most likely, I'm going to put some thin bolts in. So these screws are a tad too big, and if I put them in, the tip would just slightly pierce through. So obviously I don't want that to happen, so I'm just going to snip the very tips off. Let's give it a whirl there. Not too bad for £8. Obviously I had to have a little bit messed around with it, but I'm pretty happy with how much I managed to get the jaws back into line in the 90 degrees. I don't think they're quite 90 degrees, but it is enough where it is clamping as it should, so I'm pretty happy with that. So just a quick video, and I hope this helps someone. So how would you have straightened this out? Would you have used a shifting spanner? So just before I go, shifting spanner did seem to be the best out of everything I tried. I did try a couple of things off camera, but the shifting spanner definitely worked the best. How would you guys have done it? Leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys.